Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend. Hope you had a good week, and welcome to this weekend update. For now, on XRP, we're going to do a full update. We'll talk about the current situation. The current situation is still similar to yesterday, although some things have changed. I mean, the main thing that changed for XRP, and we'll get into that more throughout this video, is obviously the Bybit hack and the bearish momentum that caused in the markets. Now, for XRP. And this is in general something that tends to be true for XRP, is that in times that the market is relatively bearish, XRP actually holds on relatively well. But in times that the market is bullish and there's no kind of specific fundamental catalyst or specific news for Ripple pushing the price up, it's usually a bit weaker. I mean, that's what we saw last week. Last week, I would argue Bitcoin was much stronger than this. But I would also argue yesterday, after that Bybit news, Bitcoin and the market was much weaker than just a move dropping down into support, because that is ultimately what XRP has done, right? I mean, with the bearish pressure, and I do think that caused it. I mean, we saw some bearish stock markets as well towards the later part of yesterday, but that combination caused XRP to fall down here, which in general I expected us to stay a bit higher and to potentially get a move into 2.9 and 2.95. But if news like that comes out with Bybit, which is the biggest hack we've seen so far, obviously the market gets a little bit less risk on, right? So that's, I think, why the price dropped down. Now, like I said, so far we're holding this level here at 2.5 very nicely. That's our main support level. And what I also do want to check out here, because what we see is that in the Asian session, or kind of towards the end of the US session yesterday, we actually had quite a lot of positions coming in, but I'm not sure what that is. I mean, you can see right here, you actually have some pretty big positions coming in. They're mostly long orders from the bottom right here. So that's interesting, I would say the least. I'm not sure how good I think that is. You can see the volume has went up nicely after hitting that bottom. So for now, look, it depends slightly on the development of the whole situation around Bybit, of course. I mean, if they're insolvent right now, Bybit is one of the biggest exchanges out there, then we will drop down lower. But for now, I'd argue the way that this support level has been defended, not only with spot volume, because the spot volume for XRP right now is 5.77 billion. That's quite good, all right? That's a decent increase of volume, and that's in line with the volume increase of Bitcoin, which a lot of altcoins do not have volume increases like that. So the support level at 2.5 is being defended well, and like I said, there's also some leverage coming in, so I expect that to hold. We also had some new bullish sentiment, I guess, when yesterday we heard about the Coinbase case and the SEC discontinuing that case. So that's providing some more hope for a quick resolvement of the SEC and Ripple case soon as well. But given those reasons, I mean, unless the Bybit situation really deteriorates, I would expect us to just stay in this consolidation right here. And I still think, looking at kind of the fundamentals around XRP, we still have a very weak dollar strength index. Stock markets fell a lot. Bitcoin actually held up relatively well, so the crypto market also seems to be a bit more resilient. XRP is one of the most resilient cryptos, so from this consolidation, I would even argue that it is still possible to get that move up, but we'll get to that later. Obviously, if we get SEC news, we're up to this level in a minute. All right, so be aware of that. Things can move quick if we have news, but for now, short term, I would expect stability down here around 2.5, 2.55. And then tomorrow and in the afternoon, I'll keep you updated on the situation and the next week opening, whether we can actually get that breakout, because ultimately the breakout is coming, right? The breakout is for sure coming. We just have to determine, is it going to be a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout? I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.